Don't pinch me. Hi, baby. Hello. Don't pinch me. But she plays with like the collar of my shirt, and I'm like, there's skin under there. Are you gonna be sweet? You gotta turn this way. She pose. Look, Mango.
Her name's Mango?
Yeah. She's, oh, so pretty. So one of her parents looked like that. So she's a Catalina, so one parent was a blue and gold and one was a scarlet. So pretty.
Oh, I can tell the patterns.
Yeah. Hi, Annie. I give you a sweet chicken. She's crazy.
I got a scar from one of
Don't
his.
pinch me, Mango.
I got a scar from one of his instruments right here.
Yeah. Hello.
Doesn't her neighbor have one? Yeah.
Oh, what? No.
No, you've already broken that. You broke it the day I got it. Hello. No, don't pinch me. Sassy chicken. What are you doing, weirdo?